Hello. Additional English class presentation. Topic phrasal verb. Contents of presentation. This presentation consists of an overview of the following concepts: verb, phrasal verb, examples of phrasal verb. Verb. Verb is a word that states something about the subject of a sentence. A verb may indicate an action or a state of being. Examples: Suma sings well. In this sentence, the word sings is a verb. The boy spoke loudly. In this sentence, the word spoke is a verb. Phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is the combination of a verb and a preposition or an adverb. It is a phrase that consists of a verb and preposition or verb and adverb. The meaning of a phrasal verb may differ from the meaning of the individual words in the phrasal verb. Examples: verb run. The boy ran on the playground. Phrasal verb run out of means to use up or finish all of something. They ran out of time to complete the work. Phrasal verbs may be transitive phrasal verbs or intransitive phrasal verbs. Transitive phrasal verb has a direct object. Intransitive phrasal verb does not have a direct object. Phrasal verbs may be separable phrasal verbs or inseparable phrasal verbs. Separable phrasal verb. The words in the phrasal verb can be separated and used in different places within a sentence. Inseparable phrasal verb. The words in the phrasal verb cannot be separated and are used together in a sentence. Phrasal verbs are used in spoken English. They are also used in written English. Phrasal verb consists of two or more words. Some phrasal verbs may have more than one meaning. Many phrasal verbs may have an equivalent word in formal English. Examples: call off means to cancel. Talk over means to discuss. Examples of phrasal verbs: carry on means to continue. They carried on with their work. Give up means to stop doing something that was being done earlier. Her cousin gave up her job 2 months ago. Find out means to discover or learn some information. She found out a secret. Set off means to start out. They set off on a long journey. Speak up means to speak loudly or speak louder. The teacher asked the student to speak up. Thank you.